Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a CSS class into your forms design. For this example, we will add a CSS class to uppercase the submit button text. So if you want to add a CSS class into your forms design, it's a simple three-step process. First, you need to be in the form designer and then click on the settings button in the top right corner. Then you will get taken to the form settings page where in the top left side you will see a custom CSS button. Click that and then you will see the right hand side change to a blank rich text editor for you to add in your CSS classes. For people with a programming background, they will be far more familiar with these CSS classes and will be able to input as many as they want. But for people who are less technical, feel free to look up some CSS classes on Google or other websites. In our example, we want uppercase text, so the best way to do it is to go into Google, type in uppercase space CSS class. So for the example of uppercasing the submit button text, we will add in a CSS class of period uppercase dash text open curly bracket text dash transform colon uppercase and semicolon to end the class and the closing bracket, and then underneath just click on the save changes button and you will see the CSS widget has been saved, and you can click on the close settings X in the top right corner. After that, you will get taken back to the form designer screen. You will need to refresh the screen, which you can do from a variety of different ways. On Mac, you can click the Command plus R at the same time, and for Windows, it is Control plus R. Now we will click on the Submit button, and you will see the button get highlighted. Then you can click on the CSS class drop-down field to the right and select your class. In this example, it will be uppercase text, and then you will see the text change to uppercase in the viewer to know that it has been applied. And as you can see, the submit button text has been uppercased, so it has been applied. With that, you now know how to add a CSS class into your forms design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're informed when a new video comes out.